Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about BEMDAS. BEMDAS stands for brackets. Take note there are two kinds of brackets. One is circle brackets. This one is a symbol. And then second is square brackets. This one, the symbol. So brackets, exponents. We know exponents. This is example of exponent. And then multiplication, division, addition, and the last will be subtraction. But there are some cases that the division must be first. So we can do this one as division, multiplication, addition, and the last will be subtraction. It depends on the given. So actually this math is intended for grade 4 and grade 5 students. So I have here number 1, 6 divided by 2 times square brackets, and then inside the square brackets I have circle brackets. 6 plus 5 times 4, and then minus 15 plus 3 raised to the 4th power. So in this case, I need to divide this one first because I told you that there are some cases that division will come at first, then followed by multiplication. In this case, 6 divided by 2, 6 is capable to divide by 2, so this will be 3 times inside the square brackets. This one first because it's multiplication. We know that 5 times 4 is 20. Then minus, this will be minus 15. Okay, and then plus, this one is 3 to the power of 4. So 3 to the power of 4 means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So 4 times. Multiply itself 4 times. So this will be 9 times, this will be 9. So 9 times 9 is 81. So this will be plus 81. Then copy this one, 3 times. Okay, inside the square brackets, this one will be the first because addition. Then 20 plus 6 is 26. And then minus 15 plus 81. So what is 26? Take away 15. So 6 take away 5 is 1. Then 2 take away 1 is 1. So I have here 3 times 11 plus 81. Okay, so take note, the second to the last operation is addition. But there is multiplication in here. So need to multiply first before addition. So 11 times 3, that will be 33. So this is 33 plus 81. So what is 33 plus 81? So this will be 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 8 is 11. So my final answer for number 1 is 114. Now let's proceed to number 2. This will be 24 minus square brackets. Inside the square brackets, I have circle brackets. 5 plus 3 times 2 to the power of 3, and then divided by 8. Okay, so copy 24 and then minus. Simplify inside the square bracket. So 5 plus 3 is 8. And then times 2 to the power of 3. So meaning multiply itself 3 times. 2 times 2 times 2. So this will be 4 times 2. And this will be equal to 8. So 2 to the third power is equal to 8. Then divided by 8. Okay? So copy 24 and then this will be minus. So this will be 64 is divided by 8. So 24 minus. What is 64 divided by 8? So that will be 8. So 24 take away 8. So 24 take away 8. Since 4 cannot be subtracted by 8, need to borrow from 2. Then this will be 1. and then put 1 beside with 4. So 14 take away 8 is 6. Then bring down the new number, which is 16. So number to answer is 16. That's all.